YouTube, this is Gracie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Beauty and the Beast inspired jewelry with some charms that I got years and years ago from Michael's. I'm finally getting around to making some jewelry out of it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying my hardest to get to 100 and we just got 87. So thank you to all 87 subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a little Beauty and the Beast inspired emoji in the comment section down below. And hopefully I'll be making some more videos like this for you guys. And I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it. The first piece of jewelry that I'm going to make is a necklace. And I'm going to be using this charm set. I'm going to be using the mirror because it reminds me a lot of the mirror that's in the movie where she says, "Show me the beast." So I'm going to be using that. This little charm here is something that I think I'm going to be using in the future for maybe something, I don't know, Mulan inspired maybe. So let's go ahead and get this out and get started making our necklace. The first step is to put these jump rings onto the little charms, and then last but not least I'm going to be putting it onto the necklace here. So let's go ahead and use our two little needle nose pliers and get these little jump rings going. As you can see, I've attached actually two little jump rings to the little journey charm because I'm going to make it be a little bit different length here, and we're going to add a little something just to give it a finishing touch. I've already attached the mirror to the necklace, so I'm just going to hold it up real quick, make sure it's long enough at the right point, and it's pretty perfect. It's off by like maybe one, but I'm okay with that. One little latch here. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of squeeze this closed a little bit just to make sure I have that on there properly. And now I'm going to attach the little journey charm with my pliers. And this is definitely a very intricate thing to do. I feel like I'm a little like, I don't know, like a doctor of some kind. So we're just going to attach that little surgeon. There we go. That's the word I was looking for, not a doctor. And just go ahead and close that back up. And we have our charms. And you could definitely just leave it like that. However, I think it'll be more fun if we add a finishing touch. I'm going to be making a bow out of these two ribbons here. This sparkly one. I thought for sure this would kind of like resemble her dress and the gloriousness that is her dress and the magic with all of the glitter and stuff. I don't know. That's just kind of where my brain was going with those thoughts. So I'm going to make a cute little bow, and then we're going to attach it to our necklace. Another thing I just did is I put a tiny little piece of ribbon through the back of the bow. I'm going to put a jump ring through it and then tie it really tight so then I can attach that jump ring to the necklace. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. And there is the finished product. We have our little mirror. We have our little charm that says journey on one side and just got some really cool like little floral print on the other. And then we've got our cute little belle dress bow, which is super cute. But the last thing we need to do on here is actually trim the edges and make it look really pretty. So I'm just going to take my scissors and at an angle, I'm going to cut the ends to my desired length. I kind of liked it long, but you know, depends on what you like. Going to, let's see, let's do it this way. Just give it a nice little snippy snip. So here is another question for you guys. Which version is your all-time favorite? The animated version or the live action? So I have reasons for each one being my favorite. I love the original, the animated, of course, because it's a classic, just like Cinderella, and Cinderella is my favorite. But I actually love watching or putting on the live action version before bed because it's just so soothing and it's so pretty and it just puts you in all of the right like headspace before bed. So there's my answer. What's yours? Leave it in the comment section down below. So here's the necklace. It's really pretty. I like how it turned out. What do you guys think? And the next thing is the earrings. Of course, we're going to be using these charms next, and we will be using our little teacup and our teapot for Mrs. Potts and Chip. So let me go ahead and take those off, and then we'll put some more jump rings on there, and then we'll attach it to our gold earring attachments there, because there is gold on the edge or the rim of the little teacup and teapot. So we're going to accentuate with gold. And I just realized as I was taking off the teapot, we need a saucer for Chip, because Chip always has his little saucer that he like goes around and like skateboards with basically. So we're going to go ahead and get a saucer out as well. Okay, I can't get over how cute this is. I'm obsessed. It looks so cute. So I was thinking to myself, do I want the teacup to be lower or higher than the saucer? But then I put it together and it just has to be like that, in my opinion. But what do you guys think? Do you think I should have done it at a different length? Sorry, it's hard to see. There you go. I kind of like it. It's almost as if he's actually sitting in his little saucer. Oh, so cute. And we've got Mrs. Potts and her little earring glory. And now we got to do the finishing touch. We got to put on some yellow ribbon to match the necklace, because it all has to go together. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I've had a little spitfire of inspiration, if you will. I think instead of doing little bows, I'm thinking of doing little like tassel-y kind of things. And just kind of doing it like this, putting a little piece around it, tying it off, and then attaching it to like the back side. Oh, look how pretty. I'm freaking out, guys. It looks so cute. This is definitely something I'm not used to wearing. I don't wear this kind of like super frilly stuff, but all together in a Disney bound outfit. Okay, so the thing we have to do is take a little piece of ribbon. So these are the scraps from the original bow, so I'm going to keep those. We definitely want those to be the same length or close. And I think I'm going to have to get some new small ribbon here. Cut a couple of pieces off so that I could tie off these tassels. There we go. And let's see, do I want to do it around like that? And kind of create like an actual little tassel. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Or do we want to go straight? We can't go straight up and down because then it'll just like open up and look weird. So let's go ahead and do this. Now that I have the tassel tied, I'm using my little pliers to kind of hold it in place. I'm going to take my jump ring and put that through. I've only tied it once, just one little tie. I'm going to be putting that through the ribbon so that I can attach the whole tassel to the earring. And I think this is going to be the best way to do it. I can always change it and just kind of cut this part of the ribbon off. So let me go ahead and just keep tying it. Okay, that looks really cute. Now we just have to cut off the little ends to the tie part. So this is just the little piece of ribbon that I used to tie the whole thing, the little tassel together. So I'm going to try and get up really close and cut that off, so that way it doesn't come undone as you're wearing it. So cute. Okay, next thing is the little Mrs. Potts earring, but this is turning out super cute so far. You just have to get it to kind of like lay correctly first, but we'll mess with that in a second. Okay guys, so here is the final look of the earrings. I think it turned out really cute. They're so dainty and so precious. I love them. I hope you guys do too. I think the next thing I'm going to do is actually cut the edges of these ribbons to kind of make it look a little more like zhuzhed up and a little more like finished. So that's what I'll do next, and then you'll see the end result all together. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, again, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you liked it by leaving a Beauty and the Beast inspired emoji. Stay tuned for next week's video because there's going to be more good stuff headed your way. I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!